Welcome back to the ATL, All Things Life, my faith and lifestyle channel. If that is the type of content you are into, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Have y'all tried the Smoothie King COCO bowl? I don't like coconut. I don't like coconut bits, but I do like coconut water. I like coconut syrup. I like pina colada. I like coconut, but I just don't like coconut bits. So I tried this sample from Smoothie King, and let me tell you, I am rushing to try to find the right recipe to make at home. So I'm not gonna waste any more time. I'm going to try to replicate and make this COCO bowl at home, and we're gonna see what it tastes like. So let's get started. Now, as I begin to get my bowl ready, this is where the fail comes in. Look at that, way too thin. I think I put too much coconut cream and not enough coconut milk cube. So next time I will definitely up the ratio of my coconut milk and not add as much coconut cream. But I tell you what, this still was so good. It really did not need the honey on top. The coconut cream did hit the spot. So next time I definitely will make it that way. Other than that, I still ate it and it was still so very good. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.